comes from within me. If I look a little closer, then I see it in me, shining brightly. These gifts are igniting, given to me proudly from Almighty God. Thank you for your mercy.
Hi my lovelies, I am back with another video, but it is a BitChute exclusive and it is a prosperity and success reading for January 2024. So if you would like to pick your deck and check out this reading, come on over to BitChute because it is a BitChute exclusive. Yes, happening right now. Love you so much. Much love.